Hello YouTube, how are you? This is Anil. All are doing well. Well, coming to today's vlog, it's gonna be about how to clean your chain, something like maintenance of the chain, guys. Today I'm gonna show about how I clean my chain. First of all, we need to make it a neutral, and I don't have a paddock stand, guys, so I do the jugaad with this wooden plate. This is how lift the bike one side. Anyways, most of them we don't have any paddock stand, so this is the another way to set the bike. And coming to the things which I use for the cleaning is clean cloth and diesel which is filled in cooling bottle, and mouth tool, chain lube, guys, which is and a normal cleaning. Mouth tool cost 255 rupees, guys. And first of all we need to clean the chain. Okay guys, I have taken the cloth which I regularly use it for cleaning. So the condition is like this, and first of all you need to spray the diesel on the chain, guys. There will be some of the dirt will be presented, something like small sand stones in all the sides. First of all we need to clean it.
I am feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, with those gonna lift me up this time. You were the only one who got me tripping up inside. All the words you told me, am I reading something different from your eyes? See you for a moment, even hope that I can feel you. I see you, all that I wanted was to tell you that I need you. I see you for a moment, even hope that I can feel you.
After cleaning with the dirt cloth, make sure to clean with a dry cloth, guys, and dry and clean cloth, which used to clean in the better way of chain.
Voice is getting nearer, heart is pumping, thoughts are running wild.
After cleaning the chain with dry cloth, make sure you need to spray in the little manner, guys, not more than that. If you spray the more spray will be wasted, and most of the dirt will be attached to the chain, guys. If you go for the roads like a which are under construction, it may be affect more dust on it, so you need to spray in a gentle manner, which it can go in the middle of the chain, the joints of the chain. You need to spray in a perfect manner, guys.
We got a good thing going, why we gotta feel some.
You need to take care of the chain at the back side, guys. At the rings you need to clean in a perfect manner, and spray little. And after spraying the chain, you need to roll the tire once, so you can understand the chain is smooth, it doesn't make any noise, guys. To now you have to clean at all the alloy wheels and the protector of the chain clearly, because there will be some of the dust there, and small sandstones will be at that place. Now when after cleaning all these things, your bike chain feels very smooth and doesn't make any noise. Then you can understand the chain is cleaned, guys. Okay guys, this is how I clean my chain for every 500 kilometers. And thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to hit on like button.